Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever reached the end of a long, busy day and felt like your mind is just a jumble of thoughts, a whirlwind of tasks, and a whole lot of screen time? I know I have. Your shoulders are tight, your eyes are tired, and all you crave is a moment of peace, a way to hit the reset button before the day is truly over. For me, the answer isn't scrolling through my phone or collapsing onto the couch. It's something much simpler, much more profound, and it happens right as the sun begins to dip below the horizon. It's my evening walk. Every evening, without fail, I lace up my shoes and head out to my local park. It's become a non-negotiable part of my routine, a sacred ritual that bridges the gap between the chaos of the day and the calm of the night. The moment I step outside, something shifts. That first breath of cool, fresh evening air feels like a cleanse. It's as if the wind itself is gently sweeping away the day's stress, carrying it off into the twilight. It's an immediate, tangible release that you just can't get indoors. As I start my walk, the first thing I notice is the change in the light. The harsh, bright light of midday softens into a warm, golden glow. It paints everything in these beautiful, long shadows and gives the world a dreamy, almost magical quality. It's what photographers call the golden hour, and it truly makes even the most familiar sights look extraordinary. The leaves on the trees seem to glow from within, and the whole park is bathed in this serene, peaceful ambiance. This gentle light is so much easier on the eyes and instantly helps my mind begin to unwind. Then there's the symphony of sounds. It's a different kind of music than the one you hear during the day. The rush of traffic fades into a distant hum. Instead, I hear the cheerful chirping of birds as they settle into the trees for the night, having their last conversations of the day. It's like a final feathered chorus before they go to sleep. Sometimes I hear the distant laughter of children playing, the rhythmic thud of a basketball on a court, or the soft padding of a fellow jogger's footsteps on the path. These aren't jarring noises. They're the gentle, reassuring sounds of a community winding down. It's a reminder that we're all in this together, sharing this beautiful slice of time between day and night. Walking itself is such a simple yet powerful form of movement. It's not a high-intensity workout where I'm pushing myself to the limit. It's a steady, rhythmic pace that allows my body to move and my blood to circulate. I can feel the tension in my shoulders and neck begin to melt away with each step. After sitting at a desk for hours, just stretching my legs and moving my body feels incredible. It's a way of thanking my body for all the work it's done during the day. We often forget how much our physical state affects our mental state. A healthy walk doesn't just benefit your muscles and heart, it clears the cobwebs from your mind. This is what I love most about my evening walks, the mental space it creates. As I walk, my mind is free to wander. It's not the stressful, anxious wandering that can happen when you're trying to fall asleep. It's a gentle, creative drift. Sometimes I don't think about anything at all. I just focus on the sensation of my feet on the path, the cool breeze on my skin, the sights and sounds around me. It's a form of active meditation, a way of being fully present in the moment. Other times, this is when my best ideas come to me. Without the pressure of a deadline or a screen in front of me, my mind can connect dots and solve problems in new and unexpected ways. It's a time for quiet reflection, for processing the day's events, and for setting gentle intentions for tomorrow. I also love the sense of connection to nature that these walks provide. Even in a city park, you're surrounded by life. I watch the squirrels scurrying to bury their treasures. I see the last of the bees buzzing around the flower beds, and I look up at the vast, open sky as it transitions from blue to orange, pink, and finally a deep, star-dusted indigo. Watching the sunset is a spectacular show that nature puts on for free every single day, and it's a powerful reminder of the beauty that exists in the world, right outside our doors. It helps me feel grounded and connected to something much larger than my own small worries. As my walk comes to an end, I often find a favorite bench to sit on for just a few minutes. The air is cooler now, and the first stars might be starting to appear. I take a few deep breaths and just soak in the stillness. I feel a profound sense of gratitude. Gratitude for my health, which allows me to take this walk. Gratitude for this beautiful park and this peaceful moment. And gratitude for the simple act of putting one foot in front of the other. It's in these quiet moments of reflection that I find a deep sense of contentment and peace. When I finally head home, I feel like a completely different person than the one that left an hour ago. The stress is gone, replaced by a feeling of calm rejuvenation. My body feels relaxed, and my mind feels clear and refreshed. I'm ready to enjoy a quiet evening, connect with my loved ones, and get a restful night's sleep. It's the perfect end to any day, good or bad. It doesn't solve all my problems, but it gives me the clarity and peace of mind to face them with a renewed perspective. So, if you're looking for a simple, free, and incredibly effective way to improve your well-being, I can't recommend an evening walk enough. You don't need any special equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes and a little bit of time. Find a park, a quiet street, or even just a path near your home. Leave your phone in your pocket, or better yet, leave it home. Allow yourself to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Let the cool breeze refresh you. Let the gentle rhythm of walking soothe you. And let the beauty of the evening inspire you. It's a small change to your routine that can make a world of difference. Thank you so much for joining me on my virtual evening walk today. I hope this has inspired you to create your own peaceful end-of-day ritual. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on finding joy and peace in the everyday. I'd love to hear about your own routines in the comments below. Until next time, take care and walk on.